Hey guys, what's up? Joel Benavides with Crypto Capital SA and BlokSquawk here for another edition of BlokSquawk. This will be BlokSquawk 10 or 010 as it were. And I just wanted to get on here and briefly go over like some key coins. I'm not going to go through the whole top 50 like I usually do, just because I'm a little short on time today, but I wanted to make sure I got on here and squawked at y'all for a little bit. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start out at number 46 by market cap. Augur, REP, is in at 46th place, trading at $13.88. That's up 9.05% from 24 hours ago, guys, and up 1.62% for the week. Augur's market cap rests at $152 million with a circulating supply of 11 million and a 24-hour traded volume of 5.4 million. Moving on, let's skip up to Verge, XVG, and at 39th by market cap, trading at a penny, up 10% on the 24, up 15.46% on the 7-day. Icon, ICX, in at 36th place. As you can see here, if you're watching on the stream or YouTube, trading at 68 cents, up 12.43% on the day, up 8.61% on the week, guys. Let's do Quantum, sorry, in at 27th by market cap, trading at $3.89, up 15.53% for the day, up 13.4% on the week. $345 million market capitalization, guys. Ontology, ONT, in at 26, trading at $1.94, up 12.21% on the day, up 5.49% for the week, guys. And again, if you're watching on the stream or on YouTube, this portion of the release is for those of you who are driving around listening or whatever, trying to get in your daily market cap data. So let's go to Lisk, 24th place by market cap, trading at $3.44, up 1.88% on the day, down guys, 1.41% on the week. Zcash in at 21st place, ZEC, trading at $125.68. That's up 7.17% for the day, up 5.27% for the week. Dogecoin in at 20th place, trading less than a penny, down a third of a point for the day, and down 8.63% for the week. VeChain, VET, in at 19th, trading at a penny, up 5.89% on the day, up 0.39% for the week. Binance Coin, BNB, in at 16th place, trading at $10.28, up 5.58% for the day, up 3.93% for the week. And Ethereum Classic is in at 15th place, guys. ETC trading at $11.54, up 7.29% on the day, up 4.33% on the week. NEOIN is in at 14th place by the same symbol, trading at $19.11, up 9% for the day and up 5.62% on the week. Tron, guys, in at 13th place, TRX trading at 2 pennies, up 12.12% on the day, up 16.17% for the week. IOTA by the symbol MIOTA in at 12th, trading at 59 cents, almost 60 cents. That's up 11.34% for the day, up 3.51% for the week. Dash in at 11th by the same symbol, trading at $205.40, up 8% for the day, up 7.3% for the week. Monero XMR in at 10th place, trading at $120.52, up 6.88% on the day, up 5.15% for the week. Cardano ADA in at 9th, trading at 8 pennies, up 17.91% on the day, up 29.04% for the week, guys. Tether in at 8th, trading at 98 cents. That's down a couple of points, almost a couple of points. Litecoin in at 7th place, trading at $61.08, up 12.68% for the day, up 9.01% for the week. Stellar XLM in at 6, trading at a quarter, up 19.48% for the day, up 25.79% for the week. Guys, big moves for Stellar. Stellar living true to its name. EOS in at 5th, trading at $5.94, up 12.5% for the day, up 12% for the week. Bitcoin Cash in at 4th, of course, trading at $495.29, up 15 points for the day, up just over 9 points for the week. XRP Ripple by the symbol XRP in at 3rd place, trading at 58 cents, up 53.56% in the last 24 hours, guys, and up a full 109, almost 110% for the week. Great week for Ripple, guys. All you Ripple holders, pat yourselves on the back. Maybe start thinking about taking a little bit of profit and buying back. We'll talk about that in a minute. Ethereum ETH in its 2nd, trading at $245.85, up 16.8% for the day, up 15.4% for the week. And guys, lastly, Bitcoin BTC, of course, in its 1st place, trading today at $6,713.52. That's up 4.45% in the last 24 hours, up 3.2% in the last 7 days, guys. Okay, and let me see. Bitcoin market cap currently rests at just over 116 billion, and 24-hour traded volume on Bitcoin is $6.7 billion. And guys, total market cap for here, it's $226 billion. Bitcoin dominance has dropped actually since a couple of days ago. It rests at 51.3%. And overall crypto traded volume, I'm not sure if that's, I'm gonna have to find out if that's for like the top 50 or the top 500 as it's listed here, but I'll find out from Apogee. But right now it reads at 24,764,754,131 USD. So that's where we're at with CoinMarketCap, guys. Let's move on to the charts. And a couple of days ago, if you remember, I was looking down here. We were kind of in this like consolidation zone after this drop. And I was looking at these different levels of support. I think at one point during the last release, I had said support instead of resistance or vice versa, so I apologize for that. But it was still self-evident in the charts when I was talking about it. So we were talking about this primary support zone. I was wondering if we were going to drop further, in which case we probably would have tested terminal support here. Or actually the low for, and if this is your first time watching my stream or YouTube podcast or whatever, you'll know that I do my analysis on GDAX because that's pertinent to U.S. investors. But I know globally we think in terms of Bitfinex, and I will get some Bitfinex analysis on here. Maybe I can get a guest analyst to come on with me. That would be really awesome. Got a couple of guys in mind. So as we were testing this area, right, we were kind of, if you look at it, I had marked this low that we had a couple of weeks ago, and so I was looking at that level, I believe, is 61.88, and so I had marked this low here as well, which was 61.86, so similar. So it was a similar level, but if you notice, these two lines is the support zone for the last year, right? And so over here we dropped into it. That was I'm sorry, I keep on forgetting that I'm doing a podcast here too. So we had dropped into the deeper levels of a support zone on the 29th of July, towards the end of July. But we didn't do that this last bottom, which took place on the 12th of August. So it was well above the support. It was completely above the support zone for the most part. I mean, we had some shadows or wicks, whatever you call them, dipping into it, but no closes above that lower support level. And so I was thinking that while we were in this consolidation process, that we may have dropped below it. But I think if you measure opening and closings, like candle bodies versus wicks or shadows, I think that it is paying credence to this intermediate level of support right here, which some analysts have drawn out. And so, guys, I'm going to be looking at this support zone when we come back down. I think we may punch through this. I'll tell you what, if we close above this level today, which is around 67.40, 67.60, if we close above that level today, guys, I think that we may be over the next couple of days pushing up back into the 7,000, low 7,000s for price. Now at that point, if candles begin to close above the 7,000 mark, or 7,050 mark, then we're gonna start talking about a different game here, guys. But the fact that right now, let's see, what time is it? It's 19:22 UTC. So the fact that we're playing at that level right now, only a couple hours before crypto session close, tells me that we may well indeed close above it. So that'll be a different game. Even if we close above the VWMA right here and the 8-day EMA, this is volume weighted moving average, guys, this white line right here. So we're well above it right now. The volume weighted moving average is around 65.50, and similar on the 8-day exponential moving average. So if we close above those moving averages, which looks like it's probably a possibility right now, we're likely to see more of a push to the upside, especially considering that we had more volume today than we did yesterday. A couple days ago, not so much, but we'll keep an eye on that. So right now, guys, it's all about how the close plays out in a couple of hours. So keep your eye on this level. I'm sure it's probably similar on Bitfinex. And then we'll see how it plays out there. Moving in, I haven't gone in to see this candle in detail, so let's come in here and look at the intraday and see what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna do that live with you. Yeah, so we can see that candle kind of showing its guts right here, and it looks like a series of higher highs and higher lows on the intraday, guys. I'm looking at 15-minute candles. And so that's where we are. We're above this intermediate level. This was a low a while back, a couple of weeks ago. So we've pushed above it, and it's showing strength. And within there are a couple of bars of significant volume. So we'll see how it plays out. But right now it's looking slightly bullish. Don't let that nugget of information fool you. We're kind of high up now, so it'll be a little too late to buy in my opinion, for my trading. Again, this isn't financial advice, never. So that's where we rest, and what I'm gonna be doing, going back to the daily chart, or daily candles rather, is I'm going to be watching to see if it pushes above this, and that might present a small opportunity to hit this upper level of resistance over the next couple of days. But at that point, guys, it's going to be a question of watching closing prices, candle closing prices above or below this line. If we get red candles volume and closes below it, I'm probably going to come back down and test one of these levels of support that we just finished discussing. And so this is where we're at. It may be there may be a consolidation period too, a period of accumulation after this. So as always, guys, I'm going to be here and we'll discuss it over the next couple of days. I'm going to step out of here, but before I do, let's go over some of the headlines briefly. Canada to study cannabis crypto markets ahead of recreational marijuana legalization. That's from Crypto Coin News. We just saw Stellar's price surging to close to 110%. Or I'm sorry, that was Ripple. Stellar surges to 17% amidst market recovery and increased adoption. So that's what Altcoin today is citing for Stellar's climb. Cardano prices, strong gains due to Trezor support. So there's support and adoption going on. Altcoin today also mentioned a $6,700 Bitcoin price and points to a bullish reversal as altcoins surge. Now, this always happens, guys. The news and media outlets start talking about this price surge, and green buyers will come in at a loss because the liquid players are at that point either selling for profits or opening their short positions. So just keep an eye on it, guys. We'll see where it turns out. There are some short-term plays involved, but I think we're only looking at maybe a couple of days if it goes that way, and that we may be back down to test that support one or two more times before we break out into a further bear market, consolidate, or go into some sort of move upwards. But we'll know when we get closer. So that's where we rest now, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Remember that BlokSquawk on Anchor is now listener supported, so head on over to anchor.fm/STX crypto. Same goes for Twitch and my Twitter account, similar handles on all STX crypto, and we'll be in touch. I think I'm gonna be on a little bit later tonight, guys. I'll be on across social media moving into the new trading day. So good luck trading, and I'm gonna get out of here like I said, but let's keep an eye on it, guys. Just be vigilant, and we'll see where it goes. All right, cheers. Joel Benavides out.